Okay, Zion, are you ready to sing the Lupang Hinirang?
Yes, but I don't memorize all of it. I'm still studying.
It's a work in progress.
Yes.
Okay. So, you're gonna try to recite it first up to where you can.
Yes.
Is that right? Okay. Can you try it now while we're doing that video?
Okay. Bayang magihilo, paras ng sinilangan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng sa manlulupig, di ka pa sisiip. Sa gadadat, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilag ang tula. Awit sa paglayang
Minamahal.
minamahal.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, so there's a lot of work for us to do on this part, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So I need you to be cooperative with mommy and daddy every day
Yes.
up until we memorize the entire song.
Yes.
You good?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Zion.
Yeah.
You say thank you to
Thank you. Bye.